Hey everybody, Scotty's Bench again. Today I'm going to bring you a quick tip on how to get rid of duct tape goop out of pedals and other things that is safe if the thing you're taking it out of can handle a little bit of this stuff here. Some 70% isopropyl, which isn't very expensive, 99 cents a bottle or so. Now that you can find it again, I've soaked this duct tape goop in it for, I don't know, a few minutes. And as you can see, after you do that, it pretty much is turned into something that you can then remove with your handy paper towels. Here in the back you can see I got most of it out of there already, just with one application. A couple more applications and all that will disappear like magic. There you go. There's your quick tip of the day.